Page number 47. Months passed. Shukla was sitting on his haunches. Haunches means buttocks. Generally, you will find the farmers sitting in this posture, at this position. When especially they are waiting for somebody, you can find the poor people, the farmers, sitting in this way. Shukla was sitting on the haunches at the appointed spot. Spot means place. He was waiting for Mahatma Gandhi in Kolkata. And when he was waiting for Gandhiji in Kolkata, during that time what happened? Gandhi arrived. Arrived means came, and Gandhi came because Gandhi gave promise to this person, Rajkumar Shukla, and that's why he came. He waited till Gandhi was free, but Gandhiji was very busy. He was engaged in some other works. So Rajkumar Shukla waited for Gandhi, and when Gandhi free, he came near Shukla. Then the two of them, two means Mahatma Gandhi and Rajkumar Shukla, boarded a train, entered a train for the city of Patna in Bihar. They were going to Bihar. Why Bihar? They were going to Patna in Bihar. Why? Because Champaran, the place, is situated in Bihar. That's why they were going to Bihar. There Shukla led him to the house of a lawyer named Rajendra Prasad. Rajkumar Shukla had taken Mahatma Gandhi to one lawyer's house. The name of that lawyer, Rajendra Prasad. Who was Rajendra Prasad? Of course, he was a lawyer, but who later became president of the Congress party and of India. So that Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad was out of town, but at that time Rajendra Prasad was not in his home. He was out of town. But the servants knew Shukla as poor yeoman. But the servants were knowing about Rajkumar Shukla. Servants were knowing that Rajkumar Shukla was a yeoman. Yeoman means farmer, who pestered their master. Pestered means disturb, because Rajkumar Shukla was coming again and again discussing about this issue. So he was disturbing Rajendra Prasad. Their master means Rajendra Prasad, to help the indigo sharecroppers. So they let him stay on the grounds with his companion Gandhi. So the servants did not allow Rajkumar Shukla. And Rajkumar Shukla, along with Gandhiji, standing on the ground, whom they took to be another peasant. Servants were thinking Gandhi also as a farmer. Servants did not know that who was that person. But Gandhi was not permitted to draw water from the well. They even did not give permission to Gandhi to take water from the well. Why? Because the servants were thinking Gandhiji belong with low caste, low community. To draw water from the well, let some drops from his bucket pollute the entire source. How did they know that he was not an untouchable? The servants did not know that Gandhiji was not untouchable. So here we can see the problem of untouchability in those years. Next paragraph. Gandhi decided to go first to Muzaffarpur. So they could not contact Rajendra Prasad, and that's why Gandhi decided to go to Muzaffarpur, which was en route to Champaran. En route means on the way, which was coming on the way to Champaran. To obtain more complete information about conditions that Shukla was capable of imparting. Rajkumar Shukla, the farmer, was uneducated. He was not able to give the perfect information to Gandhiji. So Gandhiji decided to get all the information from a proper person, and that's why he decided to go to Muzaffarpur, because he wanted more complete information about conditions. Which condition? The problems of sharecroppers in Champaran. Then Shukla was capable of imparting, because Shukla was not capable to give information. He according to sent a telegram to Professor J.B. Kriplani, and that's why Gandhiji sent a telegram to one person whose name J.B. Kriplani. Who was J.B. Kriplani? He belonged from Arts College, of the Arts College in Muzaffarpur, because he was an educated person. I am talking about J.B. Kriplani. So Gandhiji was thinking that perhaps J.B. Kriplani could help him to get the information. Whom he had seen at Tagore Santiniketan school. First, Gandhiji met this person J.B. Kriplani at Tagore Santiniketan school. So Gandhi was aware of this person, J.B. Kriplani. The train arrived at midnight, 15 April 1917. Now page number 48. Kriplani was waiting at the station with a large body of students. Kriplani was waiting for Gandhiji and this farmer Rajkumar Shukla. And he was not alone, but he came with his so many students to receive Gandhiji. Gandhi stayed there for 2 days in the home of Professor Malkani. Now another character, Professor Malkani. Who was Malkani? A teacher in a government school. Malkani was a teacher in government school, and Gandhiji stayed in the home of Malkani 2 days. It was an extraordinary thing in those days. Extraordinary means uncommon, unique thing in those days. Gandhi commented, Gandhi said, why it was very uncommon thing in those days for a government professor to harbor means shelter, to give shelter, a man like me. A man like me means man like Gandhiji. It was very uncommon thing. It was unique thing to give shelter to a person like Gandhiji. Why? Because at that time Gandhiji was against the Britishers, and this person Malkani was a government servant, government teacher. In smaller localities, the Indians were afraid to show sympathy for advocates of home rule. Home rule means Swaraj. And in small villages, generally people were not giving shelter to the freedom fighters. Why? Because they had the fear of Britishers. So, in smaller localities, the Indians were afraid. Indians had the fear of Britishers. To show sympathy for advocates of home rule. So home rule means Swaraj, freedom. The news of Gandhi's advent means arrival, coming, and of the nature means here purpose of his mission means goal, spread quickly through Muzaffarpur. Everywhere this news spread that Gandhiji was coming. in their area, and to Champaran. Sharecroppers from Champaran began arriving on foot. Sharecroppers means the farmers were coming to see Gandhiji in Champaran, and by conveyance they were walking, they were coming on the foot, and they were also coming by conveyance means by different type of vehicles, because they wanted to see Gandhiji, they wanted to meet Gandhiji. Muzaffarpur lawyers called on Gandhi to see their champion. So we stop here. I hope you understand the lesson.